Welcome to Current Affairs. In this video, we're gonna get you a sports event, so with no further ado, let's get started. Cesare Maldini, former Milan captain and Italy manager, died at 84. The defender played over 400 times for Milan, and won European Cup in 1963. He won 25 international caps for Italy and went to the 1962 World Cup. Coached Milan during the 1970s and the Italian team at 1998 World Cup. As Italy's under-21 coach, developed the likes of Francesco Totti, Gianluigi Buffon and Fabio Cannavaro. His son, Paolo, is a San Siro legend in his own right. For more information, check the YouTube show note. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Peace.